Here we go, first time out since everything's been fixed, and we're excited. We took our time getting ready this morning. We did all the tyre pressures and things like that. The tyre pressure was wrong on the car, but the caravan was good. Anyway, we're heading towards Orange Way, and hopefully we'll have a good time because the weather is perfect. Ready for a good time, Mr. Hal?
Yeah.
You don't look so enthusiastic. Driving along the Lachlan Valley Way, and we stopped at the first township, and it's a really cute place and it's got a nice little bakery, but in the back street there's a church there, then there's St. Joseph's School with a church there, and then what looks like, I don't know, maybe an old convent. But some of the housing architecture in these few little streets, if you're into that, is really interesting. It's also the home of the superb Parrot. It's very pretty main street. Just driven 2.5 hours, maybe a little bit more because we stopped for lunch. But we've come to Carcoar Dam free campsite, and look at this. Isn't that picturesque? John's just trying to level the van. When we read about this campsite, they said in summer school holidays it's really packed and it's a bit of a party central, so if you don't like noise, don't come here then. And another group said that it gets so windy that if you've got canvas, sometimes you have to move on before you expect. But today you can see the windmills are not even moving, and it's just beautiful. There are not many level spots, and most of the level spots are taken by permanents, I would think they are. And there's quite a few more on the other side, but absolutely stunning. And we're going to have a fire tonight. I don't know, John might have done the dance and I've missed it. Oh, not much of a dance. The only thing is we had a bit of a stress on the way driving here with the Red Arc
Tow Pro. Took a long time to calibrate. Tow Pro Elite brake controller. Took a long time to calibrate.
36
Ks.
We spent a lot of the first part of our journey watching it, stopping, just trying to figure out what was going on and Googling what the different coloured lights meant. But it's fine now, so who knows. And the brake system was always working. We could feel it when we broke that it was working. Well, this is exciting. With the money that we saved on diesel, because we went travelling, we decided to do something with it, and we bought a drone. And John's going to take it for its very first flight. Well, this is our perfect afternoon by the fire. We've got the diesel heater in there tonight and the sun is setting, and I've had the camera set up and there's no one really. It's gorgeous.
Of course, they're all home where it's warm.
what a morning it is. The sun has come up, the birds are very active, and we're just making a cup of tea. But no wind again, the windmills are standing still, and the cows are right up there with the windmills, and it's beautiful. Cold. The diesel heater did its job. We turned it off when we got into bed, and we possibly should have just let it set. Apart from that, we're looking forward to looking around today. Carcoar is called the town that time forgot, and I think it's heritage listed, so it'll be fun to have a look. It's too cold to talk this morning.
It is.
We're along Carcoar Dam Road, and there's the van all the way over there looking like a little speck. And this is just beautiful country. We're just looking at the beautiful memorial, and just look how many Smiths there are. We're wondering if they're all relatives. How sad that would be.
This is some old church in Carcoar. First stone's 1846, consecrated 1849, and the locals bought it in 2021 because they were going to close it down. I've no idea what they paid for it. Probably a few shillings, I guess. And it's still used. So it's about 170 odd years old. I made a new friend called Sally, and we've been tasting wines, and it's the Slow Wine Company, and it's just yummy. We've just driven through Luck now, and this shop is amazing. I mean, it has all leather things and hides, but also has akubras, jeans, fashion, belts, pretty, and boots. Most amazing boots. This is so magical. There's no one else here in the park, just a few permanent vans that no one's at. The sun is going down, but it's actually not that late. It's not even 5 o'clock. We've had the fire on for quite a while, and John's been flying the drone, and we've done the Smitty built winch. Oh, gee, it's the winch stuff, yeah. because we need to season it and move it every so often for the greasing.
Get it a run so it works, so it doesn't get stuck.
But because there's no one here, John's got his favourite music on. But we're also watching how dark it's coming over.
It won't rain. Well, the Bureau says no.
It's just getting very dark very quickly, and the ducks are all coming in, which is a bit funny. Anyway, but it's beautiful. Good morning from our little patch of paradise. It's beautiful. I slept in, missed the sunrise, but look at the fog up. You can't even see the turbines today. And the birds are all happily feeding. And there's just no one else. Is there, John? Except for the garbage truck that came
At 5:30 this morning.
to empty the big industrial garbage. There's no noise or anything, no boats going out. It is very beautiful. And there's nothing wrong with the car. I think John was just checking it.
Checking for mice again, just in case.
He'll be spending the rest of his life checking for mice, I think. Pretty much.
I might put a cat in there, leave it in there.
We had a great night. We went into Blaney to the pub and we watched the State of Origin. And
the Blues thrash the Queenslanders.
so John's very happy, and we were in a bar where they were all Blues supporters, so it was even better. Nice friendly pub. Well, it's absolutely beautiful now. It looks really early in the morning, but it's about 10 o'clock and we're packed up. We've had a great time. We would definitely come back here again. And we're keen to drive off and see if the brake system, the red arc brake system, takes so long to calibrate this time like it did on the way here. And that's one of the reasons why we're ready so early. And that's probably it. So I'll see you on the other side.